Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video I'll start a brand new series where I'll be sharing quick and easy phone photography tips in every video.
Perfect.
In each video I'll be showing a phone photography tip and idea that will help you improve your pictures and videos while photographing with your phone.
Wow.
Today we're kicking things off by diving into the art of capturing a professional sunset video using just your phone. So in this video we'll see how to take a sunset video in a professional way, or at least better than your friends.
Okay.
So basically, I don't want you to take sunset videos like this.
Boring.
Instead, try choosing time-lapse and then put your phone to face the sky and make sure to record for at least 10 minutes or even more if you can. Because every 10 minutes can only give you a few seconds and every 20 minutes can give you like 20 seconds or 30 seconds.
2,000 years later.
And then you will hopefully end up with something like this.
Oh, incredible.
So please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos and tips.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.